The Memorandum of Understanding between the Afghan Intelligence Service and Pakistan's ISI no longer stands. Speaking to a small group of journalists during his recent visit here, former Afghan President Hamid Karzai said, "No, the MOU does not stand. We had a conversation on that which I hope will bear fruit. It's something Afghan people have rejected because it is against Afghan interests." Afghan Chief Executive Abdullah will be visiting India on September 17 for talks with the Indian government at a time when Afghanistan-Pakistan ties have hit another low point. Karzai said he hoped Prime Minister Narendra Modi would travel to Kabul to inaugurate the new parliament building constructed by India. Asked whether India had been unfair with the new government in Kabul, Karzai parried, but urged India to engage more deeply with the Ghani government. The two countries are intrinsically linked due to common security interests, he said. India, he added, was forthcoming with education and development assistance but hesitant on security assistance. In fact, he said, India should seek to be present in the room during the peace talks with the Taliban. India, Iran and Russia should all be present, he said. On September 1st, weeks after stating that Pakistan had declared war against Afghanistan, Ghani in a strongly worded statement refuted Sartaj Aziz's contention that Pakistan had rolled up the activities of the Haqqanis in their country. Abdullah's visit comes after two big donor conferences in Afghanistan, RECCA and the Japan-led conference. India, like the US, Germany and China, was represented at the functional level, said officials. Indian assistance to Afghanistan has plateaued out in recent months as India has focused on completing the ongoing projects on the ground. Politically, this has signaled a wait and watch on the Ghani government by India. If Ghani continues to lean towards Pakistan, India would be forced to rethink its engagement priorities. But recent events have appeared to make Ghani rethink his own, some would say, uncritical outreach to Pakistan. Questioned whether India could trust Ghani, Karzai said, Ghani has also criticized Pakistan in recent days. Things will change.